We explain the beginnings of the Italian Renaissance. Massive changes were happening in post-Crusades Europe. The cities were growing, capitalism was replacing feudalism, the church was declining in power, and biggest of all was the Black Death, or bubonic plague. Starting in Italy in 1347, the plague would spread across Europe and kill 38 million people. It was carried by trade ships that carried infected rats, who were then bit by fleas, who then bit humans. Italy would lose 60% of its population. The plague impacted everyday life, killed workers, declined trade, lowered demand for food, lowering food prices, allowed peasants to rent land rather than stay tied to it. Sadly, it also led to an anti-Jewish anger, blaming the religion and accusing them of creating the plague. Many Jews were killed by European church and political leaders. The King of Poland offered Jews a safe place to live. Life became about survival again. One of the bigger impacts of the disease was a loss of faith in religious explanations for disease and a turn toward science. The collective became less important than thinking about the self and what makes us human. It led to a rebirth in curiosity about the philosophies of Greece and Rome called the Renaissance. The Renaissance would alter Europe dramatically in intellectual and artistic achievement. It would open up conversations and explorations in astronomy, anatomy, chemistry, art, architecture, and so much more. It would reintroduce the European world to humanism and literature.